Hello, Keller Williams Elite. It is me, Brooke Silva, your regional technology trainer for Keller Williams New England, and I am so excited to be visiting you on Thursday, August 12th from 10 to noon. We are going to be going over a brand new fun workshop we have for you guys called DataBASE to DataBANK. And what this does is it takes a deep dive into your contacts and your systems. We're going to look at how you're communicating, how healthy is your database, and how we can take you from kaput to cha-ching. So register today, and I can't wait to see you. See you in the class.